think we all know by now that after we dry our clothes, we should clean the lint out of the lint filter. But did you also know there's a filter in your washing machine, and that should be cleaned every 4 to 6 weeks? And sometimes you're going to find some things in there you didn't know you were missing. So let's see what we find in mine, and then hopefully you try this at home as well. It's pretty simple. All you're going to need for this is a towel and a small container to catch some water. I have a front-loading washing machine, and on the front there's this little panel in the bottom corner, and if you open this up, there's this really cool stuff in here. There's a filter and a little tube in here that should be cleaned out, and there's actually instructions right inside on how to do that. The first thing I do is put down a rag here to catch any water drips, and I'm going to pull this tube out, and there's a cap on it, and I'm just going to simply unscrew, take that cap off, and it's going to drain out any extra water that's sitting in this washing machine tube, which just if it sits there for a while, it's going to smell. And I'm just going to drain that all out. Okay, once that's done, that took about a minute. I'll screw this plug back in. And make sure it's nice and tight. And I'll gently push that hose back inside and clip it in place. So over here is my filter, my washing machine filter. I'm going to turn that to the left and see what we've got in here. I'll have to be honest, my washing machine is fairly new, so yeah, it looks like I'm pretty lucky in that there's really not much in here. There's some scummy stuff on there, so I'll give this a good wash and put that back in. But I've seen people discover, you know, hair and socks, money, hair clips, you name it. If it accidentally gets into the washing machine, you're gonna find it there in your filter. So I hope you give this a try, and if you find some fun things in your washing machine filter, please take a picture or a video and tag me on Instagram.